Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. With fall rolling in and the temperatures dropping, there's no better time to transform your living room into a cozy autumn sanctuary. In today's video, we're diving into the best decorating ideas to give your living room that warm, inviting fall vibe we all crave. From rich color palettes to snuggly textures and charming accents, I've got a ton of fantastic tips to help you make your space a true autumn haven. So, grab a cup of apple cider, cozy up, and let's get started on creating a fall living room that's as comforting as it is stylish. Fall is all about embracing the season's natural beauty and turning our homes into warm, welcoming spaces. Let's explore how you can infuse your living room with fall charm by focusing on color schemes, textures, and seasonal accents that will make your space feel both stylish and cozy. To kick off your fall living room transformation, start with a warm color palette. Think deep, rich tones that reflect the beauty of autumn. Opt for shades like burnt orange, rustic red, golden yellow, and deep brown. Incorporate these colors through your throw pillows, blankets, rugs, and even wall art. For a dramatic update, consider painting an accent wall in a warm, fall-inspired hue or adding a colorful area rug that ties the room together. These colors will create an inviting atmosphere that captures the essence of the season. Texture is key to creating a cozy fall living room. Layer different textures to add warmth and depth to your space. Start with a plush area rug in a neutral or warm tone to anchor the room. Add a mix of throw blankets in chunky knits, faux fur, and velvet to your sofa. Decorative pillows in various textures and patterns will enhance the comfort and style of your seating area. Don't forget to include a soft, woven basket for extra throws or magazines, practical and stylish. Seasonal accents are the perfect way to bring a touch of fall into your living room. Decorate with pumpkins in various sizes and colors, either real or faux, and place them on coffee tables, mantels, or shelves. Incorporate autumn-themed artwork or prints featuring fall landscapes or cozy scenes. Consider adding a garland made of leaves or pine cones along your mantel or around door frames. These small details will enhance the fall vibe and create a welcoming, festive atmosphere. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a warm and inviting space. Swap out harsh overhead lights for softer, more ambient options. Use table lamps with warm-toned bulbs and consider adding a few floor lamps with cozy lampshades. String lights or fairy lights can add a magical touch when draped over furniture or along shelves. Candles are a must-have for fall. Opt for scents like cinnamon, pumpkin spice, or apple pie to make your living room smell as good as it looks. Bringing the outdoors in is a great way to enhance your fall decor. Incorporate natural elements such as dried leaves, pine cones, or acorns in your decor. A vase filled with branches or a rustic wooden tray displaying a collection of autumn leaves can add a natural touch to your living room. For a fresh look, use seasonal flowers like mums or sunflowers in a simple, elegant vase. These natural elements will complement your fall theme and add a touch of nature to your space. If you're loving these cozy fall living room decorating ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your favorite fall decor tip or what you're excited to try in your living room. Your support helps me keep creating content that inspires and delights. Let's keep this fall decor conversation going. Creating a cozy living room isn't just about the decor, it's also about how you arrange your furniture. Make sure your seating area is inviting and conducive to relaxation. Arrange your sofa and chairs to create an intimate conversation area, and use side tables to hold drinks and snacks. Consider adding a small ottoman or poof for extra seating and comfort. A well-arranged space will make your living room feel more welcoming and perfect for fall gatherings. Updating your textiles is a simple way to refresh your living room for the fall season. Swap out your summer throw pillows for ones in rich, autumnal colors and patterns. Add a cozy, knitted or plaid throw blanket to your sofa or armchair for added warmth. Consider a new, seasonal area rug that complements your color scheme and adds texture to the floor. These textile updates will instantly transform your space and make it feel more seasonal. If you have a coffee table or side table in your living room, use it as an opportunity to showcase fall decor. Create a seasonal centerpiece with a tray of candles, mini pumpkins, and a small bouquet of fall flowers. You can also use decorative bowls or jars filled with acorns or pine cones as stylish table accents. These festive touches will enhance the overall fall ambience and add charm to your living room. Don't underestimate the power of scent in creating a cozy atmosphere. Use candles, wax melts, or essential oil diffusers with fall-inspired scents like cinnamon, apple, or vanilla. Consider simmering a pot of water with cinnamon sticks, cloves, and orange peels on the stove for a natural and inviting aroma. A pleasant scent will enhance the warm and welcoming feel of your living room and make it even more inviting for you and your guests. Get creative with DIY decor projects that add a personal touch to your living room. Create your own fall-themed artwork using paint or printables. Make a garland out of felt leaves or fabric scraps to hang on your mantle or wall. DIY projects not only allow you to customize your decor but also add a special, handmade touch to your fall living room. Plus, they can be a fun and rewarding way to get into the autumn spirit. As we wrap up today's video, I hope you're feeling inspired to transform your living room into a cozy fall retreat. Embrace the season with these decorating ideas and create a space that's warm, welcoming, and stylish. If you enjoyed these tips, be sure to subscribe for more home decor inspiration, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your favorite fall decorating tip or what you're excited to try in your own space. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.